Hi guys, Ron here is Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted fam. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys! For today's episode, I'll be sharing the upcoming Coach Spring Resort 2027 collection. For the prices and launch dates, I will be sharing them and more information and photos once they are available. So kindly stay tuned. So comment below which ones are your faves, guys. Happy shopping! Alright guys, I'm very excited with this new lookbook collection by Coach. So first guys, we're going to discuss in categories. So first we have the Kiss Lock barrel bag. So as you can see, this is the close-up view. So made of calfskin leather. Barrel bag with Kiss Lock pocket on the side, as you can see. So of course right now what Coach have is the barrel bag, and then of course I think they have a bigger version of the Coach barrel bag, but I think this is the first time that I'm seeing a barrel bag that has a Kiss Lock pocket on the side, which is also, you know, just a very small bag. But of course this is made of the pink calfskin leather. Then guys, let us discuss the Kiss Lock East-West design. So the most of the Kiss Lock bags, of course, as we know, are made of calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims, and these have an East-West style configuration. So it's a longer version, and of course it is like a shorter version but a longer one, if you know what I mean. So this one comes in the color black, and it comes of course with detachable leather strap. It would come with detachable leather Coach tag, and it would come either in the silver or the brass stone hardware. So another versions of more clear view of the Kiss Lock East-West is this one in the colorway tan, as you can see. And as you know, one of the great feature that Coach uses is the very supple calfskin leather that they're going to use, as you can see. So you could carry this bag as a top handle, scrunch it up for that fashion runway appeal. Then of course, since this is an East-West version, so I feel that it would also be perfect for evening events, for parties, and of course I love the color tan because it is such a neutral color. So, if you are looking for an adventurous design, and of course, leopard print are so hot right now. So we have the Kiss Lock East-West in the material leopard design. So I'm not just really sure, guys, if this is like a pony hair material or it is just a leather printed or maybe even a canvas printed leopard print. So that was the close-up view of the Kiss Lock East-West bag. So comment below if you are eyeing for an animal print East-West Kiss Lock bag, then definitely this may be the one for you. So we have another one. Apologies because with this lookbook they have come up with such many Kiss Lock bag in the East-West configuration. So this one is like in the ash brown colorway. So I'm going to feature a close-up view, as you can see. So this is like the darker brown or dark chocolate brown colorway. I love that it really slouches, and of course as you can see it comes with a strap. So I'm guessing you could carry this one aside from as a clutch. You could carry this one as a top handle, and perhaps it would be having a crossbody strap. Then of course guys, this is a new design, so not the official name. So we have the top handle twin turn lock. So made of calfskin leather in the East-West configuration as well. And of course it would come with a top handle, and as you can see it would come with a twin turn lock for closure. The colorway of this one is in black. It would come with detachable leather Coach tag, and it would come with brass stone hardware. Guys, this one honestly I also love this design. I believe this could be a revival or from the archives like Coach. I think this is also one of the messenger bags that Coach have in their archives, maybe one that Andrea Sachs from the Devil Wears Prada 2 wore. So this one in the colorway like in pink. So as you can see, it is also a slouchier leather, just like with the Kiss Lock bag. I love that it comes with a top handle. I love that feature, of course. I'm just wishing instead of the twin turn lock closure, they could have opted for maybe a twin turn lock pockets instead, or maybe even a Kiss Lock pockets. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright guys, so next on the Spring Resort 2027 collection, still we are going to discuss the top handle twin turn lock, again not the official name. So this one guys, in the famous butter yellow color, again not the official name of the color. So as you can see, this is the close-up view. Love the colorway of this one, and again just look how slouchy the leather, the calfskin leather that they have used. So classic features of the bag, so it would come with a top handle, it would come with a detachable classic coach tag, twin turn lock for closure, then of course it would come with detachable strap. Then another colorway we have in the burgundy colorway. So among guys the colorway that we have discussed so far, which ones are your favorite? So me, my top one, of course it would also be the classic black and gold combination. Then maybe this one, I love the burgundy colorway. It kind of reminds me of the Chanel burgundy interior, don't you think? So as you can see, still the same feature, twin turn lock for closure, very slouchy leather design, top handle bag, super chic and super perfect for everyday. Then next on the collection, so guys, the next design would be the heart kiss lock. As you know, Coach has released a heart-shaped bag previously, but this time they are incorporating the kiss lock for closure. So the material of this one is made of calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. As mentioned, heart-shaped bag with kiss lock closure. So this is the zoom or close-up view of the bag. So as you can see, we have the kiss lock for closure, perhaps in silver hardware. It would come of course with detachable leather coach tag. It would come either in the brass stone or silver hardware. Then next guys, so if you are again on the adventurous wild side, because they are going to release in the leopard print kiss lock or heart kiss lock bag, as you can see. So made of calfskin leather with heart-shaped bag with kiss lock for closure. So this is the close-up view. Again guys, so it could either be a pony hair material of the leopard, then of course it would come with detachable leather coach tag, and it would come with brass stone hardware. So are you eyeing for the pink one or are you eyeing for the leopard print one? Please comment down below guys. Then another version, so this one a neutral colorway in the tan or brown colorway. So we have the heart kiss lock, again not the official name, this time made of calfskin leather. As you can see, this is the close-up view. So guys, I'm looking at the photos right now. So either it could be calfskin or it could also be made with suede calfskin leather. And as you can see, it would come in the brass stone hardware. Hopefully, it's a little bit spacious on the inside compared to their previous heart-shaped bag, which is, you know, very difficult to carry. Then another heart kiss lock bag. So again, in the burgundy colorway, which reminds me of the classic Chanel interior. So as you can see, also guys, are you also taking note of the fabulous ready-to-wear on this lookbook? Super gorgeous, and of course very on theme and very on brand of Coach. So this is the close-up view. What I love about this one, it has a minimal Coach stamping in front. It would come in the brass stone hardware, so perhaps you could carry this one as a clutch like this, or maybe even as a crossbody if it would come with a crossbody strap. Then last but not the least guys, not the official name, we have the turn lock flap bag. So the material is made of calfskin leather, and we are going to see that the calfskin leather is embellished. So it would come in the colorway black. So these are the embellishments. So maybe just like padlocks and different type of design. It would come with detachable coach leather tag, and of course it would come either with the brass tone or silver tone hardware. Happy shopping! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.